In this video, I'm going to show you how to download official VLC media player for PC. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now, first thing you need to do is to go to your browser, any browser that you have. Personally, I'm going to use Chrome browser. So I'll just open the browser. Then in the search engine, search for VLC media player. Now, once you are here, you need to go to their official website, which is www.videolan.org. So just open the link. Then once you are here, you are going to see a download button. But before you download, you need to confirm your system requirement. Now, if you are not sure of your system type, then you need to open your file explorer. Just press on Windows button and E. Then your file explorer will be open. Now on your left, you will see this PC. Now right click on it, then go to properties. Now on system type, you are going to see whether it is 64-bit or 32-bit. Now once you've identified that, you need to close this one. Then you need to close this one. Then go and download according to your system requirement. So I'm just going to press on download. Then the download will automatically begin. If it does not begin, you just need to click here. But let us give it time for it to begin. As you can see on the top there, it has already begun to download. So let us just give it time for it to complete. Now once the download is complete, you need to click on the file. Just click on it once. Then this Windows security pop-up will come, of which my screen recorder does not allow to record. Then just click on yes. Then click on next. Then next. Then next. So as you can see, the software is being installed in your computer. Now once it has finished, you just need to click on finish. You can uncheck that and then you can just click on finish. So that's it guys. That's how you can simply download official VLC media player for PC. Now if you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.